All right. Um, Last time I teach you guys how to open YouTube, and successfully you are able to open a new YouTube. And today I'm going to teach you how to open a Gmail, because you can't open a YouTube channel without a Gmail. So I'm going to teach you how to open a Gmail, a new Gmail. So let's start from here. All right. Okay. Account. All right. Now you will have to create a new account. All right. Here should be your name. All right. Okay. Austin. Right. And last name Davis. Okay. Now you will have to choose your Gmail. This is just the suggested. A suggested Gmail. You can choose whatever you want to choose. That is Davis Austin. You can change it to anything. I'm gonna choose one. Let's see. Any password. Choose whatever password you want to use. Right. Choose whatever password you want to use. Confirm the password so there won't be mistakes. Right. Okay. Now you can click on this to see if it's real or not. Alright? Click to see if it's real or not, if it's correct or not. So now you're going to click on next. Okay. You will have to verify your account with your number. Um, this, alright? Whatever number you're using, alright? It's optional. You can go ahead and go to this place your month of birth, um, January, the day, 5th, 6th, oh, sorry, 5th, 5th, and year, whatever year, and that. And female, male, anyone. I'm going to choose male, alright? Okay, and then here you click on the next icon. Wow, here we are. Now click on your agreeing to the terms and conditions, alright? Alright, we now have a new fresh Gmail. Alright, so now you can use this Gmail to open a YouTube channel. You can check on my and how to open a YouTube channel, or how to use a video to make it on YouTube. Thank you for watching this tutorial, because I want you guys to subscribe to my channel. Remember, without a Gmail you can't open a YouTube channel. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you, and God bless you. See you next time.